Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be reviewing these awesome sunglasses here. It's called Duduma. These are very, very comfortable. They're incredible and comfortable. So since I do a lot of driving and so on and so forth, well, you know, when I need to, just thought I'd start doing some vlogging while I do the review. So I like them. They're very, very comfortable. Duduma. Cool name, don't you think? I think it's a pretty cool name. And they look great. Check out the I'm out of light now so I can show you the just really nice looking sunglasses. Okay, see, Duduma. They're polarized. I'll have a link in the description below to buy these bad boys. They're really, really nice sunglasses. I really enjoy them. I've been wearing them all day yesterday, trying them out. I like them. They fit my head perfectly. They're not crushing my head at all. It's absolutely perfect. And just so you guys know, I'm using the GoPro Hero 6 to record this video. This is awesome. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Now remember, these things are really, really nice. I like the finish, and the polarized is really, really nice. They're just a really great pair of sunglasses for the money. So again, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. GoPro, stop recording. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,